How to place a railing into your floor. Go to architecture, then go to railing, press on this one, sketch path, then go to line. Let's make this line, and let's make another this line. Press on finish. Then I can do it because I need the line is connected or each line is separated, like this one. Let's delete this one, then press finish, and I have it like this. CS, create similar. To make another one, press this one and this one, then press finish. Then go to 3D, and here is our railing. Select them, and here in properties I have railing types. Let's make it glass, or choose whatever you want, like this one.